Hi, I'm Anna Wall Trades, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little forge. So here you can see my entire $100 forge setup. We've got an ammo can that's got a couple holes drilled in it with some firebrick. The ammo can is not really the most important piece of the forge. What's important is the bricks, and so the ammo can is just a nice way of holding it all together so that I can put the lid on it when I'm done and pack it up and go, because actually all of this is completely mobile. I can just pick up and take it with me. It's a little heavy, but I can pick up and take it with me and set it up outside if I want to forge outside or whatever else. I have some cheapo tongs. If you're worried about the heat on these causing any kind of off-gassing, you can totally dip them in muriatic acid. That will take off all the galvanization. The other thing is, if you're forging, you should be in a very well-ventilated area anyway, so all that's going to burn off the first time you use them anyway. I got this hammer from Amazon for pretty cheap. I will put a link for it below. And here we have just some Harbor Freight junk turned into gold. I have a little buffing wheel turned backwards because you want to buff on the top of the wheel so that it doesn't fling your knife back at you and kill you. And then just a little belt sander. And I mean, these are, if you get the coupon for them, these are like 15 bucks and 10 bucks respectively. And then I found this little vise. So you basically have all the setup that you need to do some small forging here. And again, like I said, I was using an I-beam here, and an I-beam is not the most ideal material to use as an anvil, but hey, whatever works, works. So whether or not you aspire to be a blacksmith, I think every woodworker or every project doer should have a little forge, or at least some way that they can heat up and bend and manipulate metal. And for me, my obsession with forging started when I got obsessed with spoon carving and the idea that I could start making my own knives and customizing my own knives.
Ready to hook this up with a place we can get to use them.
So please stay tuned. There's a bunch of fun content coming your way. Next up is making your own spoon carving knives.